Welcome to Future Technology YouTube channel. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, a flagship powerhouse that pushes the boundaries of smartphone technology. Packed with cutting-edge features and innovative design, this device sets a new standard for what a smartphone can achieve. In this 4-minute review, we'll delve into the key aspects that make the Galaxy S24 Ultra a standout device in the competitive smartphone market. Let's start with design and build quality. Samsung has once again raised the bar with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, featuring a sleek and premium design that exudes elegance. The device boasts a refined metal and glass construction that not only looks stunning but also feels incredibly durable in hand. With its slim profile and minimal bezels, the Galaxy S24 Ultra offers a comfortable grip and immersive viewing experience. Moving on to the display, the Galaxy S24 Ultra features a breathtaking 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED panel with a Quad HD+ resolution. This display is a true feast for the eyes, delivering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast levels. Whether you're streaming your favorite movies, browsing the web, or gaming, the Galaxy S24 Ultra's display ensures an unparalleled visual experience with stunning clarity and detail. Performance-wise, the Galaxy S24 Ultra leaves no room for compromise. Powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset or Samsung's own Exynos variant, depending on the region, coupled with up to 16 GB of RAM. This device delivers blazing fast performance and seamless multitasking capabilities. Whether you're running demanding apps or graphic-intensive games, the Galaxy S24 Ultra handles everything with ease, ensuring a smooth and responsive user experience. When it comes to photography, the Galaxy S24 Ultra truly shines. Equipped with a versatile quad-camera setup, including a 1.8MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, a 1.0MP periscope telephoto lens with up to 100x space zoom, and a 3D timer flight sensor. This device lets you capture stunning photos and videos in any situation. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or close-ups, the Galaxy S24 Ultra delivers exceptional image quality with superb detail, color accuracy, and dynamic range. In terms of battery life, the Galaxy S24 Ultra impresses with its massive 5,500 mAh battery capacity. Combined with intelligent power management features and support for fast charging, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging, you can enjoy all-day usage without worrying about running out of juice. Whether you're streaming media, playing games, or tackling productivity tasks, the Galaxy S24 Ultra ensures that you stay powered up throughout the day. On the software front, the Galaxy S24 Ultra runs on Samsung's latest One UI software based on Android 13. Packed with a plethora of features and customization options, One UI offers a refined and intuitive user experience that enhances productivity and convenience. From enhanced multitasking capabilities to seamless integration with other Samsung devices, the Galaxy S24 Ultra's software experience is both feature-rich and user-friendly. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is a true flagship smartphone that excels in every aspect. From its stunning design and immersive display to its powerful performance and versatile camera system, this device sets a new standard for what a smartphone can achieve. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a content creator, or a professional on the go, the Galaxy S24 Ultra delivers an unparalleled experience that caters to your every need. Thanks for watching this.